This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a Google Docs to a PDF using Google Docs. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Google Docs here. Okay, I've got Google Docs opened up. I'm using Google Chrome as my browser here. I have a document made out here, and this document is saved as a Google Docs, but I want to convert it to a PDF. The way to do that, you want to go up to the File tab up here in the left-hand corner. Click on it. Then you'll go down to where it says Download, and then over to where it says PDF Document. I'm going to select that. Now you can change your file name here. As you can see, this is going to be saved as a PDF, and you can change your destination here. I'm saving mine to my desktop, but you can change your destination here and where you're saving it to. I'm going to click on Save. And now I'm going to open that document that I just saved. I'm going to click on it. And now it has been converted to a PDF. That is how you convert a Google Docs to a PDF. Thanks for watching.